Hello student. Today our topic of discussion is matrix elements. A matrix element is simply a matrix entry. Each element in a matrix is identified by naming the row and column in which it appears. For example, consider matrix G. Here you can see the order of matrix is 3 by 3. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. So the order of matrix G is 3 by 3. So what is matrix element? There are 9 elements in the matrix G. You can see here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. First element is 4, the second is 18, the third element is minus 20, the fourth element is 14, fifth element is 5, sixth element is 4, seventh is minus 7, eighth element is 13, and ninth element is 22. The element G21 is the entry in the second row and the first column of the matrix G. Here you can see the value of G21 is 18. In this case, G sub 2, 1 is equal to 18. 2 is the number of row and 1 is the number of column. In general, the element in row I and column J of matrix A is denoted as A sub I, J. In order to elaborate your understanding, let's have an example of matrix A which has 3 rows and 3 columns. So the order of matrix A is 3 by 3. So the element A sub 1, 3 is the first row and third column. First row and third column, so A13 is equal to 8. Let's have another example of matrix B which has 2 rows and 2 columns, so the order of matrix B is 2 by 2. So what is the value of B21? 2 is the second row and 1 is the first column of the matrix B. So the value would be B21 is 4.6. Let's have another example of matrix C which has order of 2 cross 3 matrix with element C12 is equal to 6. So in option we have 4 matrices, we have to select one of them. So first of all we have to select the matrix order, that is 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So we have 2 options of the order of matrix C, that is 2 cross 3. The option C and option D has the order of matrix 2 cross 3. The next condition for the matrix C with the order of 2 by 3 matrix is the value of element C12 is equal to 6. So the right option is C. As you can see, the element C12 is equal to 6. However, the option D does not meet the requirement of the question because the element of C12 of option D matrix is 10. So the right answer is option C.